I have made a maze game in PictoBlocks. We have to first click the flag to start the game. The time limit is, you can see on left top corner, and we have to reach the diamond. If we touch the red line, a sound will come and we will be teleported to the starting position. If we go to the diamond, if we touch the diamond, a sound will come that you have won the game and you will be again teleported to the starting position. You have to go to the lowest score that you can score. Now I am reached.
Congratulations, you won the game.
If I touch, if one time the game is over, we have to again click the flag. The game will start. And if we touch the red line,
Oh, you touched the line.
teleported, and we have to again click the flag. Thank you.